Hey y'all, it's your girl Kietha T. Now I just decided to make this no-bake cheesecake, Japanese cheesecake, what have you. This time we're trying it with the Chobani vanilla Greek yogurt, y'all. All I did was melt me a little Biscoff butter, mix it into my yogurt, stuck in those Biscoff cookies. Not quite finished yet, guys. I forgot. I gotta drizzle the rest of my butter on top. That's it. I just wanted you all to see it now and where it goes. Okay, the moment of truth has arrived. I've taken it out the refrigerator. Let's go ahead and unwrap this and see what it tastes like, shall we? This is what it's looking like. Y'all, I'm about to take the first bite. It looks good. Well, it's good, y'all. Y'all see me doing my happy dance. Let's have another scoop. Why don't we? It is a winner. It definitely is a winner. Y'all should try some. Again, this one was made with the Greek Chobani vanilla flavor yogurt. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all be blessed, and I'll see you next time.